Welcome. If you've ever signed into Discord on a computer that isn't yours, or you just want to log out devices you no longer use, there's a straightforward way to do it with the latest update on the Discord desktop app. Today, I'll walk you through every step so you can keep your account safe and secure. First, open up the Discord app on your PC. If you're already logged in, you'll land right on your server or friends list. From here, you'll want to head towards the settings menu. To do that, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your username and profile picture. And right next to them, there's a small gear icon. Go ahead and click that gear icon to enter your user settings. Inside your settings, there are a lot of different categories on the left-hand side, but what you're interested in is the section called Devices. Scroll until you find it, then select it. Once you click on Devices, you'll see a list of all the devices where your Discord account is currently logged in. This can include PCs, mobile phones, or even tablets that you've used before. Now, if you want to log out from a specific device, simply look for that device in the list. Next to each one, there's a small delete icon. Click on that icon, and Discord will immediately remove your account from that device. This means you'll be signed out there, and no one else will be able to access your account from it anymore. You can repeat this process for as many devices as you'd like, and it's a good habit to check this list every so often. If you ever notice a device you don't recognize, logging it out right away helps protect your privacy and prevents unauthorized access to your account. That's all there is to it. With just a few simple clicks, you can manage your devices and make sure your Discord account is only active in the places you want it to be. This update makes it much easier to stay in control of your account, no matter how many times you've logged in on different devices. Now you know exactly how to log out from a device on Discord using the new update.